Hey, what's up everybody, this is Saurav and today we are going to learn the basic feature of video editor in Animaker. And we are going to create a video which looks like this. So first of all, log into your Animaker account and then click on create and then select a blank page. So now once you are inside the app, let me give you a quick walkthrough about the user interface. So on the left hand side, you can see there's a library where you can search, have prebuilds, characters, you have properties, then you have text, which include text prebuilds and also the normal text. Then you have backgrounds, images. In the images you also have GIFs. You can upload your own images by clicking on this upload icon. Then you have tons and tons of videos, and also you can upload by clicking on this upload icon. Then you have music. In music you have your background music, special sound effect, and an option to upload your sound effects. Then you have screen effects, and at the bottom you have the upload option. So at the bottom you can see there's a timeline. So in Animaker we have 3 timelines: animation timeline for creating animated video, video timeline for creating live videos, and camera timeline to add the camera effects. On the right hand side you have your scenes. You can add your scenes by clicking on this add icon, delete your scene or duplicate it. You can undo, redo from here, copy, paste. You can switch between full and light mode. The difference between full and light mode is that in the light mode you can just go and quickly swap the objects and edit your video, and the full version you can do everything and anything in the app. Then you can change the name of your video. You can preview the whole video, you can share it with other people, collaborate on the same video, and finally you can publish your video. And also on the right hand side you can see there is a guide where you can search for anything and everything you want to do in Animaker. For example, in the video I want to know how to add filters, so I'll just go to videos and then I'll select how to add a filter. If I click, then the tour will start. So for now I'm gonna skip the tour. And also on the bottom right hand side you can see a zoom slider which you can use to zoom in and zoom out into your timeline. So now let's just start with our video. So first of all I'm gonna add few videos to my project. So for that I'll go to the videos tab in the main menu. Then I'll click and type C aerial shot. Now I'll quickly select a video. So there are tons and tons of videos from where you can select. So this looks good. So this is my first video. Now to add a scene I'll just click on this plus icon and let me just add few more scenes. I'll add 4 scenes. So let me quickly add videos to my other scenes. So again I'll go to the videos tab and search for something like exotic beaches. This one looks good. So I just wanted to have a dramatic feel in my video. So I'll just select this for my second scene. And for the third scene, I'll do the same. But now I'll search for, let's have few people who are having fun at the beaches. So I'm gonna search for literally like people having fun on beach. And let's see what we have. Okay, so we have different videos. So this looks good. So I'm gonna click and add it. Also, if you have noticed, I can preview the videos by just hovering over the video. And for the fourth scene, let me quickly add one more video. And this time, since we are searching for the beaches, the people, let me again search for the beach and let's see what we have. Now on the fourth scene, I'm planning to add some offers. So for that, I don't want a lot of things in my video. So I'll just search for a plain video. Okay, this looks good. I'll just click and add it. So now we have 4 videos, and we'll start with the first scene. So we'll start by trimming the video. So to trim a video, you can see there's a scissors icon over here. You have to just click on it, and here you can adjust the starting and the ending time of the video. So I just want this much of video, so I'll just adjust it and then click on this tick icon. So apart from trimming your video, you can also resize the video by clicking on this resize icon like this and hit the apply button. Or you can flip the video horizontally or vertically, and can also rotate the video by clicking on this rotate icon. Now the second way of doing this is I'll just click on the scene second, and instead of going to the scissors icon, you can also drag the edges from here. So if I do that, you can see the preview over here, and I just want some leaves in my video, so I'll just make it like this. Now I quickly edit the remaining 2 scenes. So I really like how that guy's like jump, so I'll just trim it that much. And for the last scene, you can make it as long as you want, depending upon where you want to show the offer. So I don't want to make it a lot lengthy, so I'll just cut it short. So now our scenes are ready. So in the first scene, I'll show you how you can color grade your video. So you can see there's a filters icon over here. So you can click on it, and you have lots of filters and which you can use to color grade your footage. So I'll just give you an example. If you just click on the summers, you can see it changed the look of the video altogether. You can also adjust the slider which is there to change the intensity of the filter. If you want to color grade your footage, you can also click on this adjust icon and then change the brightness, contrast, hue and saturation of your video. So now let me just add a text to the video. So for that, you have to click on this arrow, go to the text menu, and you can add a heading, subheading or a body text, but I'm a big fan of text pre-builds. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this text pre-build and just add it. And the best part about text pre-builds are that the animation has already been added to them, so that you don't have to go again and add another enter and exit effect to the text. So I'm gonna write something like explore. So on the right hand side, you can see the text settings, from where you can change the font type, size, letter spacing, transparency and much more. So for now, I'm gonna just click on this size drop down and let's just make it 40, maybe just a little less. I think 38 or 36 will do. So 36 looks fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this and copy the same pre-built and paste it on the next scene. So for that, you can either use the keyboard shortcut, which is Command C for Mac, Control C for Windows. And if you're not a big fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can click on this copy icon, go to the scene second, and then paste by clicking on this paste icon or just Control V. So here I'm just gonna change the text. So for editing the text, I'm just clicking on the text and typing my own. So on this slide, I'm gonna write something like exotic places. And apart from just adding the text, you can also add a lot of properties. So for example, if you just want to add a heart icon with number of likes, you can just go and click on it. So this particular pre-built is available in the text pre-builds, but you can also go to the properties section and add whatever property you want to add. So I'm gonna resize the pre-built. So to resize it, just hold the edges and drag it inwards. And then I'm just gonna pick it and place it over here. So if you notice, if I click on this text pre-built, you will see there's something appearing on the timeline. So the pink bars shows the animation time. If you reduce it, then it will make the animation very fast, and if you just increase the size of these bars, then the animation will be very slow. And if you notice, you can also drag this timeline bar. So if you increase the size, that means the property will be visible from 3.8 second to 8.3 second. Now let's come to the third scene. So in this scene, again, I'm gonna add some text. So let me select a pre-built again. So this looks good. And then I'll just click on it and type in something like with your loved ones. Let me just resize this and add it over here. You can also add camera effect to your videos. You might have seen the slow zooming in effects in a lot of videos. So the same thing you can do in Animaker. So for that, you have to click on the camera timeline. And over here, you just change this static camera to dynamic camera. The benefit of dynamic camera is zooming in will be very smooth and slow. So you can increase or decrease the speed at which the camera will zoom in by adjusting this pink bar over here. That means if you increase the size of this bar, the animation will be slow, and if you reduce it, it will be very fast. So I'll just make it a bit big because I don't want it to be very fast, and I'll reduce the size of this frame. That means it will zoom in into this part only. So now let's come to the fourth scene. So I'll click on the scene 4, go to the animation timeline, because now we want to add some properties to our video. So first of all, I'll add a square, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the square. So for that, go to the properties tab, select this shape. Now I'll just resize this shape. And the only reason I'm adding this shape is to show you a very cool feature in Animaker, which is Smartmove. Click on the Smartmove icon. So this will tell me till where I want to move this object. So I just want to move it till here. So on the right hand side, you can also see there are a lot of pre-builds which will make the object move in different paths. So either you can select this, but for the sake of explaining, I'm just gonna use this simple path, and I'll just click on apply. And on the timeline, I'm gonna adjust the to position of the object. So I want object to start from 15th second or maybe 16th second, and I want this object to quickly come into the scene. So what I'll do, I'll just place this object close by to the first one and hit apply. Also, you can click on the settings icon to open the settings window for a property, from where you can change the enter and exit effect. For now, I'm just changing the transparency level, and let's just hit the play button to see how it will look. So this is how you move an object into a video. So apart from the objects, you can also move characters, images over a video. So it's pretty handy when you are creating your live videos. So now I'll just add few text. So for that, I'll again go to the text, and maybe I'll select a different text pre-built. So I want to show an offer which is going on. So I'll just click on this text pre-built, resize it, place it somewhere over here, and to edit the text, I'll just click on this and change the text. So I'll make it 30%, and again I'll add some more text. So this time I'll just add a heading and some body text. So I'll place the body text over here, heading over here, and I'll write something like book your tickets. And for this, I'm gonna change the font type make it all use script, and I'll just copy and paste the text again so that I don't have to go to the text tab again and again to select a text. So I'm gonna write today in this text box, resize it and increase the font size. Let's make it 80. Let me adjust this a bit. And over here, I'm gonna write the website address. And the other way of resizing a text box is just dragging the edges inwards. So this will reduce the size of the text box. And now let me quickly show you how you can add enter and exit effect for a text. So I'll click on this text box, click on this arrow down here, select this pop-up, and let me just select pop-up center. Now I'll select this today, and let me adjust the timeline a bit so that this and this text will not come at the same time. So I'll just reduce this a bit. So if you notice, this text is starting from the 16.4 second, and this text is starting around 17.4 second. So I want this text to appear first and then this text, and in the end this text. So I'll click on this text and adjust the time. So this text should come somewhere over here. Okay, so we have three text boxes. One is this, one is this, and one is this. So let me add an enter effect for this text also. Maybe the same enter effect will look good. And again, I'll add an enter effect for this text. So let's just play this scene and see how it will look. Now let's add a cool audio to our videos. So for that, what you can do is go here, music, select any music from here. Or if you want to do a voiceover to your video, what you can do is go to video, click on this voiceover icon, and from here you can either upload your own voiceover, use our text-to-speech engine where you just have to type in your text and it will convert it into a voiceover, or you can use your mic to record your voiceover. But now I don't want to record my voice for the video, so I'll just go ahead and click on this motivational video category, and to preview an audio, I'll just hover over this audio and we'll listen how it sounds. So to add this audio, I'll just click on the add icon. As you can see, the music track has been added. On the timeline, you can see here is our audio track. From here, you can change the volume level and copy this, delete it, or preview it. So I'm gonna drag this and put it on the first scene and extend it till our last scene. So now our video is ready. Let's just hit the play button, relax, and see what we have created so far. So that's how easy it was to create a video in Animaker. So once you are done with your video, click on this publish icon and hit the download button. And from here you can select the video quality. You can export up to 4K videos in Animaker. Select the file type, and here you can also see how many premium videos you have used. So once you are done with everything and also with the naming of your file, just hit the download button and it will be sent for rendering, and after that you can download your video. And that's all from this video, guys. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to us. Have a good day.